CBD or cannabidiol oil is used in many forms: capsules, tinctures, vapor, edibles, sprays, and creams among others. The form and dosage amounts depend on individual needs. It is a product of the hemp plant but doesn't contain more than 0.03% THC if any at all, which is the source of the high experienced by marijuana users. Cannabis oil, derived from marijuana, contains higher levels THC. Some side effects if a proper dosage isn't followed may be diarrhea, tiredness, increased appetite and changes in weight among others. The chances of abuse and addiction are small and almost non-existent. Drug interactions are minimal except when used with drugs such as blood thinners and IV antibiotics, so using under a physician's care is very important if you take other medications. In the States it is usually legal as long as it does not contain more than 0.03% THC. But this varies in some states, so it is important to be aware of your state laws. States where marijuana is legal should be safe to assume CBD is also legal, as well as other states that have made an exception for it but is still considered illegal under federal law because it comes from a banned plant. Even so, the federal government mostly ignores its use and distribution at this time. In Canada, on the other hand, it seems CBD oil is only legal if you buy from a licensed producer. Different rules might also appear in different provinces, so do some research if you're worried. Although on a side note, I never heard of anyone being arrested in Canada for possession of CBD oil, but better safe than sorry. So what is CBD oil used for? Does it actually do anything? Let's get into that. What is CBD oil used for? CBD oil benefits include 1. Pain relief. CBD oil can be used to relieve pain and inflammation from surgical incisions and sciatic nerve pain, seen in lab studies with rats, and may also be useful in treating arthritis pain, including advanced rheumatoid arthritis, especially when combined with THC. CBD works by binding with cannabinoid receptors in the human body, helping boost the body's naturally produced endocannabinoids to help reduce inflammation and interacting with neurotransmitters. Non-arthritic joint pain and general muscle pain are also helped by it, as are most forms of chronic pain. 2. Depression, anxiety, psychotic disorders, insomnia, PTSD, addictions. CBD oil is non-addictive, has fewer side effects than regularly prescribed medications, and provides a natural alternative treatment. It also helps with insomnia, restless leg syndrome, social anxiety, and PTSD. It is safe for both adults and children to use. It's thought to work by interacting with the serotonin receptors in the brain. Studies are looking promising in helping patients with psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia because it appears to have antipsychotic effects. The THC in marijuana is the source of anxiety for cannabis users, not the CBD. Studies have shown that it helps addicts reduce their dependence on heroin, morphine, and other opioids. It assists alcoholics and cocaine users in preventing relapse into addiction. Other studies have shown that using a vaporizer with CBD oil assists in smokers losing their cigarette addictions by inhaling CBD instead of nicotine every time they feel the need to smoke. 3. Cancer patients. CBD can help with the side effects of both the disease and its treatments, helping to decrease pain, nausea, and vomiting. It has also been shown in some studies to have anti-cancer properties, especially with breast cancer cells, though more follow-up is needed to confirm these results. CBD also seems to be helpful in preventing metastasis of cancer cells in general. It has anti-mutagenic properties, meaning it can reduce the risk of cancer. 4. Acne and eczema. CBD oil seems to help reduce acne by blocking secretion of sebum in the sebaceous gland cells and also acts as an anti-inflammatory. It can help with the redness, itchiness, and swelling associated with both conditions as well. 5. Neuroprotection. CBD oil seems to work well to help treat epilepsy, in particular Lennox-Gastaut syndrome and Dravet syndrome for children over 2. CBD helps with multiple sclerosis with THC in the case of MS, and might also be able to alleviate some of the effects of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's such as insomnia. CBD has also shown to help prevent inflammation and neurodegeneration in Alzheimer's, as well as slow cognitive decline. Fibromyalgia patients have also seen greater improvement with the use of CBD over traditional pharmaceutical treatments. 6. Circulatory and endocrine benefits. CBD oil has shown help to lower blood pressure, thereby reducing the chances of stroke and metabolic syndromes like diabetes. With its stress-reducing properties, it has also helped reduce inflammation and cell death, which can also lead to heart attack. Promising studies being done seem to also point to it as a potential treatment in helping reduce, prevent or maybe even reversing diabetes. 7. Benign tumors. Studies have shown that in addition to maybe reducing cancerous tumors, CBD may also be useful for reducing benign ones. In addition to all the uses mentioned above, what are some of the benefits of CBD oil? CBD oil benefits include 8. Prion diseases. CBD oil has been shown in studies to halt prion formation and accumulation in diseases such as mad cow disease and its human equivalent, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, and helped increase the survival time of mice in the lab. 9. Crohn's, IBS, and other intestinal diseases. CBD may help with inflammation of the bowels, and with THC may also help with the function of the bowels and the digestive system as a whole. 10. Autism. CBD oil is being used to help people on the spectrum deal with hypersensitivity and overstimulation of their senses, and to help with hyperactivity associated with the spectrum. 11. Lupus and other autoimmune diseases and allergies. CBD oil helps alleviate symptoms associated with these diseases without the side effects of prescription medicines. It also helps boost and regulate the immune system. With allergies, it may help reduce the sensitivity to the allergens. 12. Antioxidant. By itself, CBD is an excellent antioxidant, helping to remove the byproducts of cellular metabolism and reverse aging. 13. Appetite control. CBD oil helps to control the hormones that control hunger, especially in people who have had surgery, injury, or illness, allowing them to regain a healthy appetite. 14. THC negative effects. CBD can reduce the memory impairment and paranoia associated with too much THC by competing with the same receptors in the brain. 15. Pets. What's good for the human owner can also be good for their pets, though a veterinarian should be consulted before using CBD on your pet. Bottom line, if you're interested in trying CBD oil, do your research and talk to your doctor about the possible benefits and precautions for your particular condition. I only listed 15 benefits, there are a lot more benefits out there, but then this video would have been too long, and you might not have stuck around to the end. If you liked this video, please subscribe and comment below, let us know your thoughts and other benefits I might have missed.